heights and distances again. Now, here the figure is given. In the given figure, AB is a tower and two objects C and D located on the ground on the same side of AB. When observed from the top B of the tower, their angles of depression are 45 degree and 60 degree respectively. Find the distance between the objects if the height of the tower is 180 meters. Right? This is the figure, this is given. Now, he's saying that angles of depression, that means this angle is 60 degree. Obviously, this is 60 degree, alternate angles. And if this angle is 45 degree, then this angle will be 45 degree. Fine. And he wants us to calculate the distance between these two objects, C and D. Let this distance be y and let this dA distance be y. This be x and this be y. So we are going to calculate this distance CD. So what will we do? Let's first take this triangle and write tan 60 is equal to opposite upon adjacent, that is 180 upon y. What is my tan 60? It is root 3 equal to 180 upon y. So if I shift this y here and 180 root 3 will come down, I'll have root 3. Then if I rationalize this, what will I get? Y will be 180 root 3 upon 3. So 3 6 so my y will be 60 root 3. Right? Now, I will take this triangle BCA. In this triangle, tan 45 will be equal to opposite, which is 180, upon adjacent. What is adjacent? X plus y. CA is adjacent. So x plus y. Now I know that tan 45 is 1 is equal to 180 upon x plus y. So if I cross multiply, I will get x plus y equal to 180. Right? Now, I will shift the value of y, which is 60 root 3, substitute this value here. So, I'll get x plus 60 root 3 is equal to 180. Now, if I shift this here, I'll get x equal to 180 minus 60 root 3. So, if I take 60 common here, I will get 3 minus root 3. Right? So my x will be 60 into 3 minus 1.732. Fine. So x will be 60 into 3 minus 1.732 is 1.268. So if I multiply 60 into 1.268, it gives me 76.08 meters. Right? I have found the distance between these two objects. Now, next one. From the top of a church spire, which is 96 meter high. So, this is the church spire, which is, now this entire thing is 96 meter high. The angles of depression of two vehicles on a road, so there are two vehicles on a road, let's name them A and another one is B, at the same level as the base of the spire. This spire is on the same side of it, and on the same side of it, that means A and B are on the same side of the level ground, x degree and y degree. Okay, he's saying that the angle of depression, so we need to have a reference line here. Okay, so this is parallel to this, where tan, now he has given us the value of tan x degree is equal to 1 by 4, and he has also given us the value for tan y equal to 1 by 7. Now we have to choose which is x and which is y. How do we know which is this angle x, is this entire angle x, or is this angle x. Now, we know that as we move away from this spire, the angle will start decreasing. That means this will be the smaller one and this will be the bigger one. Now, here tan x is 1 by 4 and tan y is 1 by 7. Now, which is greater out of the two? 1 by 4 is greater because you are only dividing here 1 into 4 parts. Here you are dividing 1 into 7 parts. So, obviously this is greater. This is bigger than this. So, does that mean x is bigger than y? So, does that mean this angle will be x and this angle will be y? Right? So, this entire angle is x degrees and this angle is y degrees. So, we found which angle is x and which is y. This is y degree. Fine. Okay. Now, calculate the distance between the vehicles. That means AB we have to calculate. Let this distance be P. Fine. Okay. Now, let's write tan x will be equal to, if we take this triangle, opposite, that means this 96 upon adjacent. Let's name this as BD. This as C. Okay, so 96 upon BD. But the value of tan x is 1 by 4. So we will substitute 1 by 4 is equal to 96 upon BD. So cross multiply, BD will be 96 into 4. So let's keep it as it is. Let's go to tan y. Okay, now how much is my tan y? Tan y is equal to opposite, that is 96 upon adjacent, that is AB plus BD. AB we have kept P, so P plus BD. Right? What is the value of tan y? It is 1 by 7. So 1 by 7 is equal to 96 upon P plus, how much is my BD now? 6 4s are 24, 2 carry, 9 4s are 36, 37, 38. Right? Let me now cross multiply. I will get P plus 384 is equal to 96 into 7. So P plus 384 is equal to 7 6 are 42, 4 carry, 7 9s are 63 and 4 is 67. So my P is equal to 672 minus 384, which is equal to 288 meters. Right? Okay. One more. Now he's saying that two men standing on the same side of the tower in a straight line with it. So there is a tower. There are two men who are standing on the same side of this tower. Let these two men be A and another fellow be B. Let this be C and let this be D. This is 90 degree. Okay. In a straight line with it, measure the angles of elevation of the top of the tower as 25 degree and 50 degree. Okay. So they are looking at the top of this tower, both of them. So what will be the angles of elevation? 25 and 50. The bigger one will be this, which is 50 degree. And the smaller one will be this, which is 25 degrees. Fine. If the height of the tower is 70 meter, okay, height of the tower is also given 70 meter. Find the distance between the two men. So we have to find this distance, AB. Right? Let this be X and let this be Y. Now, we will learn something different in this question. You will see how. See, normally till now, all the questions that we have solved, we have taken this angle is equal to opposite upon this. Tan of this angle is equal to opposite side upon this. Tan of this angle is equal to opposite upon adjacent. Right? This time we are also doing the same thing, but slightly in a different manner. Let us first do it the way we have been doing it. Let me take first tan 25 as an example. What will be my tan 25? Tell me. It will be 70 upon x plus y. 70 upon x plus y. Right? if you, okay, now tan 25, we can see the value of tan 25 in the book. We have also learned how to see the value of tan 25 from the book. It's also given in your textbook. At the back of your textbook, you can see this value. We want tan 25. So where is my tan 25? Here it is. Natural tan. Tan 25 is 0.4663. So in place of tan 25, I am going to write 0.4663. 0.4663 is equal to 70 upon x plus y. Now, what I will do is I will shift this here and bring it here. So I will get x plus y equal to 70 upon 0.4663. Now, this calculation is going to be difficult for me, right? Dividing a number by a decimal number is going to be difficult. So is there any other way by which we can solve it? Yes. See, take a look at this triangle DCA. Let's make it here, right? So if this is triangle DCA, and if we are saying that this angle is 25, this is 90, then how much will be this angle? It will be 65, right? Now, instead of taking this 25 degrees angle, if I take this as the reference angle and write tan 65 degrees, then AC will be my opposite side and DC will be my adjacent side, isn't it? Let me come back here now. Now, I am taking this entire triangle. This angle is 25. This is 90. Let me consider this angle. This will be 65, right? Now, let me take tan 65 here. Tan 65 will be equal to opposite. Now, this becomes the opposite side, right? What is that? X plus y. And this becomes the adjacent side upon 70, right? Now, how will this help me? Why can't it do this way? This way I got the decimal number in the division, which is difficult to solve. Here, what will happen when I get the tan 65, value of tan 65, let me find it from the book. What is it? 2.1445. Value of tan 65 is 2.1445. So 2.1445, okay, is equal to x plus y upon 70. See how simple it became for me. I can cross multiply. I will get 2.1445 into 70 is equal to x plus y. Right? Now, if I write this as 21445 and shift this 1, 2, 3, 4 into 70, 1, 0 and 1, 0 will go, is equal to x plus y. Isn't it simple for me to multiply this and then divide by 1000 rather than operating this? Right? That is why we apply this trend when we have something like this, right? Okay, let me calculate this now. I will get here 7 5s are 35, 3 carry, 7 4s are 28, 28 and 3 is 31. So again 31, 0, 7 2s are 14 and 1, 15, right? So this is my x plus y now. And then I have 3 zeros also. So 1, 2, 3. Where will that come? Here. Fine. This is my value for x plus y. The same thing I will apply for this. Now, if I take triangle DCB, if this angle is 50, this is 90. Obviously, this angle will be 40. Now, this time, let me take tan 40. That will be equal to y upon 70 because this becomes opposite and this becomes adjacent. So I will write y upon 70. Now let me check the value for tan 40. What is my tan 40? Here it is 0.8391. So I will replace the value of tan 40 as 0.8391 is equal to y upon 70. Now see, I can cross multiply. So I will get 8391 into 70 divided by 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 0 and 1, 0 will go is equal to y. Now I can multiply this. This will give me 7. 7 9s are 63. 6 carry. 7 3s are 21. 7. 2 carry. 7 8s are 56. 57. 58. Right? Now how many zeros? 1, 2, 3. So point here. So what is my y now? 58.737. Fine, you got this value for y. Now you have to actually calculate x. You have x plus y equal to 150.115 and you have got y as 58.737. What will be your x now? 150.115 minus 58.737. So your x is equal to, okay, let's perform this. 150.115 and 58.737. So 15 minus 7 is 8. 10 minus 3 is 7. 10 minus 7 is 3. 9 minus 8 is 1. And 14 minus 5 is 9. So 91.378 is meters is your answer. Have you seen how to make your calculations simpler? This is the way.